Hello friends, welcome to KL Tutorial Point. Thank you for your support. For more knowledge, please do subscribe, like and share to your friends. In this video, I am going to explain about rational numbers, its decimal forms, terminating decimal, non-terminating, repeating decimal and some important points. Now let us move into topic rational numbers. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers but Q not equal to 0 are known as rational numbers. Q equal to set of P by Q such that P comma Q belongs to Z and Q not equal to 0. Now we have to keep in mind the set of natural numbers is denoted by Q. Here we have to know about infinite numbers of rational numbers are present in between any two rational numbers and second point is rational numbers with the denominator 1 are called integers. Now rational numbers in decimal form. In decimal form, rational numbers are of two types. They are, first type is terminating decimal and second type is non-terminating repeating decimal. Now let us know about first type of decimal form of rational numbers. First type, terminating decimal. If decimal expression of a rational number P by Q terminates, then it comes to an end then the decimal obtained from P by Q is called terminating decimal. Now let us know about two examples. Example 1, 1 by 31 by 65 is equal to 0.2096. Second example, 586 by 125 is equal to 4.688. These two are examples for terminating decimal. Now let us know about second type, non-terminating repeating decimal. If the decimal obtained from P by Q repeats periodically, then it is called non-terminating repeating decimal. Now let us take three examples. They are, first one, 68 by 75 is equal to 0.90666 and 6 and so on. That means 0.906. We have to keep bar on 6. That means it is repeating decimal. Second type, 136 by 9 is equal to 15.111 and so on. That means 15.1, we have to keep bar on 1. 1 is repeating. And third example, 275 by 225 is equal to 1.2222 and so on. Therefore 1.2, then we have to keep bar on 2. These are the examples of terminating repeating decimal. Now we have to know about inserting a rational number between any two rational numbers. If P and Q are any two rational numbers, then a rational number between P and Q is P plus Q by 2. Now let us see example. A rational number between 2 and 3 is, here 2 plus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2. Therefore rational number is 5 by 2 between 2 and 3. Let P be a prime number if P divides A square then P divides A, where A is the positive integer. Now let us see example for this. Example, 7 divides 14 square. That means 7 also divides 14.